Again, for those of you who are on our TikTok, you can go over to our YouTube if you'd like to see the surgery. It's going to give you a better look as to what you can expect from any of these procedures if you're interested. For those of you who are just getting on, we're doing a back scar revision. We are doing a belly button scar revision. We are doing an arm lift with some lipo there.
¿Quieres un cordón para los zapatos? ¿Me das otro leg cover, por favor?
And so right now our patient is lying on their stomach, so laying face forward, face down, and we are working on that back scar revision. So we're just removing the scar that was once there. We're gonna go in and create a new scar in hopes that it doesn't look as it did the first time. It's not that it was the surgeon's mistake. It's usually the patient and how their body heals. And so sometimes when we go in and revise those surgeries and go in and redo, it helps the healing process. And so that's what we're doing today for a patient for both the back scar revision and that belly button scar revision. I lost 140 pounds, have a lot of excess skin on my thighs. A thigh lift won't help. That would be the next. Let me ask.
¿Se fue para un apartamento?
I'll ask in just a moment. The dog. Thank you guys for joining us. Again, we are doing a back scar revision, a belly button scar revision, and a arm lift with some lipo, so removing the fat from the arms and then lifting it. We are also doing lipo on our patient's flanks, so removing fat on her flanks. And we are doing the back scar revision portion first, and then we're going to work on those arms here in a moment. So again, if you guys have any questions, feel free to comment those down below. And then we are also live on our YouTube, so if you want to see what's going on over there, you can join us at Dr. Jeneby Plastic Surgery. And when you're looking for our YouTube, you'll also see a lot of other doctors' names listed in our handle in our profile. So that's how you know you found the right one. So you'll see Dr. Latin Heat on there. Okay, someone has a question.
Yeah.
So Sky Life is Beautiful says, I lost 140 pounds, have a lot of excess skin on my thighs. A thigh lift won't help. Or would a thigh lift help?
Most likely, yes. If you lost 140 pounds, that's a lot of weight. So very likely you have stigma of massive weight loss, which is a lot of excess skin. So it's a lot of excess skin, and so once you get to that point where there is a lot of excess skin, the only thing that actually would help is to do a thigh lift, which basically is, getting rid of the excess skin. A lot of people come in asking for liposuction or other skin tightening methods, but it's very important to see how much excess skin there is first, and then you can come out with a plan. But most likely, yes.
Okay.
Thigh lift will help a lot with your medial thighs.
Okay. Thank you. So if you heard that, yes, a thigh lift would help. Depending on how much excess skin that you have, a thigh lift is going to remove a lot of that excess skin. So if that's something you're interested in undergoing or inquiring further about, you can click the link in our bio. It's going to take you to our website, or you can fill out the form here. I have pinned on the bottom, I believe it is. You can fill that out. We can have someone reach out to you to see what would be the best surgery for you, custom to your needs. Or we can have somebody from our team reach out to you and answer any questions or any other inquiries you may have. So we're located in San Antonio, Texas, in the Stone Oak location, so northern San Antonio. That's where Dr. Cornejo operates at Chrysalis Maximus Surgery Center. But if you're out of town, or if you are from out of state even, we do have a lot of patients that still come out. We have a lot of options for out-of-state patients when it comes to accommodation, figuring out like the next steps after surgery, because it seems really daunting. It's really not. We'll have somebody from her team reach out to you. We'll have somebody help you figure out that process so you're not walking through it alone. You wouldn't be the only one if you decided to come from a different location or out of state, another city. A lot of people will come from Corpus Christi or Houston, Dallas, cities in Texas that aren't necessarily close but aren't far. We've had people come from out of state before. So if that's something that you're considering, definitely fill out that form that I have pinned. Somebody will reach out to you. It'll ask for your information. It'll ask for just like, it'll ask you questions about what you're wanting in a surgery. And then we could set up a virtual consultation, an in-person consultation if you're interested, still at that point. And then we can get you in the operating room. Yeah, of course. If you have any more questions, feel free to comment them. And you can always hop on other social media to private message. I don't know if it's available here on TikTok, but if you want to go to Dr. Latin Heat's Instagram, you can go there, DM us. Somebody will reach out to you there as well. But I would recommend filling out that form. Somebody will get to you immediately or very quickly, depending on when you decide to reach out. But yeah, thanks for asking. That was a great question. So if you guys have any more, feel free to comment them. Again, Dr. Cornejo is operating on our patient. She's having a back scar revision, a belly button scar revision from a tummy tuck surgery that she had, an arm lift with some lipo, and some lipo to her flanks. So if that interests y'all, you can hop on over to our YouTube at Dr. Jeneby Plastic Surgery, and then you'll see Dr. Latin Heat's name attached to that as well. And this month we do have some compelling specials. We have a lot going on for our men for Father's Day. We have some Renuvion specials. We have 20% off Renuvion if you decide to add that onto one of your procedures. We are doing a liposuction and ab etching, $150 off the consult, plus $1,000 off the entire procedure if you book during June. So check out all of our specials. We have them pinned on our social media, so on our Instagram, on our TikTok. You can check those out. Alright.
So can you bring the table up, please?
Alrighty. Thank you guys for joining us.
Thank you.
I'm gonna go ahead and hop off here. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. Again, today we did a back scar revision, a belly button scar revision, an arm lift with some lipo, and lipo to our patient's flanks. If any of y'all were interested in any of the procedures we're doing today, you can go ahead and fill out that form that I had pinned on the screen. You can click the link in our bio. It'll take you to our website. You can private message us and we'll have somebody get in contact with you. Again, thank y'all for tuning in. Hope y'all have an amazing rest of your day. Thank you.